Hey there, this is attorney Sarah Holmes of Holmes Business Law P.C. We are a business and trademark law firm that also offers general counsel subscription services to clients. Now, today we have an unusual topic, which is what do you do when you think an employer has discriminated against you? This is important. I think some people don't know that our law firm sometimes does help people with these issues, individuals. Most of our business representation is around employers, and we help them most of the time avoid discrimination claims by putting policies and procedures into place. But once in a while, we may represent a client that's an individual against a company, obviously not a client of ours, but someone else that is having issues with employment discrimination at work. So first of all, what you have to keep in mind is that the law protects many different types of discrimination. So there are federal laws, there are state laws, and there are local laws that may apply depending on what type of discrimination you think you've faced. So for example, at the federal level, gender discrimination, age discrimination, disability discrimination, those are all issues definitely protected by most of them, federal, state, and local laws. On the local level, depending on where you are, there may be other protections, for example, genetic data. There may be one for different type, like victims of domestic violence and other types of categories, depending on where you live or where you were employed. The first thing to do if you think you were the victim of discrimination in your workplace is to document the instance. So you could say, hey, I have this personal notebook, December 31st, my boss came to me and told me I was going to be written up because I was 5 minutes late. However, I'm the only person in my department that's female. The men always come in late. And for some reason, I think that they are singling me out for being female. That could be an instance of discrimination, but you want to document that. So then let's say next month you were given a project that is well below your abilities and you say, hey, I'm doing a good job here. For whatever reason, I'm the only female in this department and I was given an assignment of lesser value than my male counterparts. Or I got a good review, I'm doing a good job here, but I'm not getting the same opportunities that male counterparts are given here. Those could be instances of discrimination. So if you feel like at work you were being treated differently based on a characteristic that's protected, such as your gender or your race, your nationality, or disability, then it may be time to speak with an attorney, and you can obviously feel free to reach out to our office to evaluate, your circumstances and see what's happened. But in the meantime, you want to keep written records. You want to keep very close tabs on dates where things happened, who was there, any types of witnesses, what transpired. And in some instances, you have very short deadlines to bring claims of discrimination. So if you feel like this is something happening to you at work, you do want to reach out and get legal help sooner rather than later. So if you want some help as an individual and you feel like you are facing some type of discrimination at work, you can reach out to our office for an evaluation. It's 215-482-0285. Thanks.